We all have a right to nutritious food, but unfortunately with the history of the Black community and other people of color, our story hasn't always been that of having access to quality food. I do workshops, I teach at the YMCA, I work with a lot of organizations. I've done a lot of work to try to get at this population who's mostly at risk. Food deserts, Harlem. I do a lot of work in the community in which I live and that I want to help. And I also do these workshops to kind of say that somebody cares. Somebody cares. I was 85 pounds overweight, unhappy, and I was a sad person. I said to myself, Kenny, if you don't get a hold of this is going to kill you. Let's be real, Southern food within itself isn't a healthy way of eating. It just isn't. But the way that you approach food, like for example, I love candy yams, my grandmother's candy yams, and you would roast the sweet potatoes out, and you would do a layer of butter, then sweet potato and syrup and brown sugar, and it would go over again. That thing is so good, but it would take you out of here. So I found helpful ways to still bring some of those flavors over, and so now I do like a sweet potato hash. It's the same flavor profile, but it's roasted. My obesity, I know for a fact, started when my dad was incarcerated. And that is the story that I tell the kids, and there's a connection that happens. I've run across a couple of kids where you could tell the struggle was real, and where the mother brought her child to the class and really wanted to help her child because they were really struggling with it. And I share my story. I see the smiles of the kids as I help them. They go home and they come back and they're like, Chef Kenny, I made your smoothie yesterday. My mom made your smoothie and it came out great. That makes me feel good because that means they're getting it. I'm really grateful for that.